Hi, I'm Tommy, and this is my bike check. La 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 la. So, this is my bike. I got starting on the top for riding, put my hands on something. I got the Colt Vans grips with ODI bar ends on the side, just so it gives it that nice look. I got these United 4-piece bars coming at 8.5 high. I got a good deal for them, and I got them for $10, and they were new, so yeah. I got the Shadow Conspiracy Odin stem, super nice, super light. I like the way it looks. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Okay, I got it. So I got 3 spacers. Yeah, 3 spacers. I got a headset. Like, I got a good headset because my last one, they were like open bearings, so they weren't very good. And I have this nice Haro Dennis Enerson, I think that's how you say his last name, fork. It's super light. I got it for $50 from a company called Dan's Comp. Yeah, I got it like 50% off. So yeah. Favorite tires I've been riding so far: Odyssey Path Pro tires. I got them for $11 each on Amazon. I was super happy because they were like $25 each. Now I don't want to spend that much money on wheels. They squeak, and that's all I like about them. They squeak. And then moving down to the front rim, I got a G Sport Elite front wheel. It's super cool.
I wanna scream so loud for you, 'cause I'm so proud of you, and let me tell you what I'm.
Okay, so moving on to this area, because I've got most of this. I got a nice black, super light, yeah, like super, ow, that's my face. Super light Fit Bike Co. I don't know what brand, type or logo, whatever. I got it from a friend named Levi Fisher. It was at Carter's house, and I love it. Made me learn full cabs like that. Makes me want to ride street more. I got these stock Haro cranks with a Haro thingy, my bobber. Sprocket, that's what it's called. Colt tires. No, not Colt. What am I saying? Colt pedals. Colt pedals, that's what it is. Oh yeah, Dakota Roach something. I got a black Colt 410 chain. See, I know the full name of that. And then I got a Colony seat, and it's not like one of those where you tighten it in the middle to make it go up or down. It's just connected. And I have it 5-finger length, so I can do some pull-up triple bars. Yeah.
Hey mama, I know I act a fool, but I promise you I'm going back to school. I appreciate what you allow.
Moving on to the back wheel, I got the Odyssey Path Pro tire, because that's like the squeakiest tire. Well, probably not, but. And then the back wheel is a Demolition Road cassette wheel. I want to say it's real, right? Yeah. It's loud enough for me. It's not the loudest, but it's loud, and I like it. And this is my bike check, and I hope this doesn't fall or I fall through. So let's go get some clips. I was about to throw it off, but I was like, I don't want to hurt my bike. Oh, the quote of the day. It's hot. but that hurt. Whoa! Yes! I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm just. That was for you, Brent.
I know I act a fool, but I promise you I'm going back to school. And I appreciate what you allow for me, and I just want you to be proud. I wanna tell the whole world about a friend of mine.
That's all I have to say about that.